session we are going to solve examples on general solution of trigonometric equation. First example, 4 cos square theta is equal to 3. This equation can be written as cos square theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay. That is cos square theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2 bracket square, and we know that is cos of pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, therefore here we write cos square theta is equal to cos of pi by 6 bracket square, or this can be written as cos square theta is equal to cos square pi by 6. Okay, and we know the solution, the general solution for cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha implies that theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha for n belongs to z. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to cos square pi by 6 implies that theta is equal to n pi plus or minus, instead of alpha here we have pi by 6. Therefore here we write pi by 6. Okay, therefore we get the solution for given trigonometric equation 4 cos square theta is equal to 3 is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6 for n belongs to z. Now we see next example, that is 4 sin square theta is equal to 1. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 4. That is sin square theta is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket square, and we know that sin of pi by 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore here we write instead of 1 upon 2 sin of pi by 6. Therefore sin square theta is equal to sin of pi by 6 bracket square, that is sin square theta is equal to sin square pi by 6. As we know, solution for sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha is that theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha for n belongs to z. Therefore, that sin square theta is equal to sin square pi by 6 gives the solution theta is equal to n pi plus or minus, instead of alpha we have pi by 6. Therefore here we write pi by 6 for n belongs to z. In that way we have obtained a solution for given trigonometric equation 4 sin square theta is equal to 1 is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Next example is 4 cos square theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. Cos of 4 theta is equal to cos of 2 theta. This can be written as cos of 4 theta minus cos of 2 theta is equal to 0. We know formula that cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin of C plus D divided by 2 into sin of C minus D divided by 2. We use this formula in that 4 theta is equal to C, and we consider that 2 theta is equal to D. Therefore, the trigonometric equation cos of 4 theta minus cos of 2 theta gives that minus 2 sin of C plus D, that is 4 theta plus 2 theta divided by 2 into sine of C minus D, that is 4 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2 is equal to 0 as it is. Then that minus 2 is a scalar multiple. It cannot be 0. Therefore, we cancel it and write that is sine of 3 theta, that 4 theta plus 2 theta, 6 theta divided by 2, that is 3 theta into that sine of 4 theta minus 2 theta, that is 2 theta divided by 2, that is theta is equal to 0. Here the product of two different terms is 0. That means either sine of 3 theta is equal to 0 or sine theta is equal to 0. Therefore, we know the solution that sine theta is equal to 0 implies that theta is equal to n phi. Therefore, that sine theta is equal to 0 gives the solution theta is equal to n pi for n belongs to z. And that sine of 3 theta is equal to 0 gives the solution 3 theta is equal to n pi. Therefore, after dividing 3 on both sides, here we get theta is equal to n pi by 3 for n belongs to z. Therefore, our equation cos of 4 theta minus cos of 2 theta gives the solution theta is equal to n pi or theta is equal to n pi by 3 for n belongs to z. Now we see the next question, that find the general solution of trigonometric equation that sin theta is equal to tan theta. This can be written as sin theta is equal to, instead of tan theta, here we write sin theta divided by cos theta. That is, if we take the product here, that sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. This will give sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. Now we take sin theta common from these both terms. We get sin theta into bracket cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Here again the product of these two terms is 0, implies either first term is 0 or this second term is 0. Therefore, here we write either sin theta is equal to 0 or cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And we know that solution for sin theta is equal to 0 is, solution for sin theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to n pi for n belongs to z. Okay, and that cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0 implies cos theta is equal to 1. And we know that is cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, instead of 1 in the right hand side, here we write cos of 0. Okay, therefore, we know that solution for cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha, that theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore, that cos theta is equal to cos 0 gives the solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0. That is, theta is equal to 2n pi. Therefore, for given trigonometric equation that sin theta is equal to tan theta, have the solution theta is equal to n pi or theta is equal to 2n pi for all n belongs to z. The next example is tan cube theta is equal to 3 tan square theta. This can be written as tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta is equal to 0. If we take tan theta common, we get in the bracket, that is tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Again there is the product of these two terms is 0, implies that tan theta is equal to 0 or tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0. First we solve this trigonometric equation, tan theta is equal to 0. As we know, tan theta is equal to 0 gives the solution theta is equal to n pi for n belongs to z. Therefore, first solution we have get that theta is equal to n pi. Now we solve that tan square theta is minus 3 is equal to 0. That tan square theta minus 3 is equal to 0 gives tan square theta is equal to 3. That is tan square theta is equal to root 3 bracket square. Therefore here we write tan square theta is equal to tan of pi by 3 bracket square, because tan of pi by 3 is root 3. Okay, therefore that tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 3. And we know the solution for tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore here tan square theta is equal to tan square pi by 3 gives the solution theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. In that way, we have get the solution for given trigonometric equation tan cube theta is equal to 3 tan theta is theta is equal to n pi or theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3 for n belongs to z. The next example is cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1. In that type of example, we know that is, if the example is in the form of a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to 1, here we divide both the sides, by square root of a square plus b square. Here we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Therefore, square root of a square plus b square is equal to, we get square root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is square root of 1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Therefore, we divide square root of 2 on both sides. Therefore, here we write 1 upon square root of 2 cos theta plus 1 upon square root of 2 sin theta is equal to 1 upon square root of 2. Okay, therefore here we write that 1 upon square root of 2, that is cos of pi by 4. Here cos theta as it is, plus 1 upon root 2, that is we write here sin of pi by 4 into sin theta as it is, and in the right side that 1 upon root 2, here we write cos of pi by 4. Okay, here we interchanges the terms, that cos of pi by 4 into cos theta, that is cos theta into cos of pi by 4, plus that sin pi by 4 into sin theta, that is sin theta plus sin theta into sin of pi by 4, that is equal to cos of pi by 4. Therefore, we can apply easily the formula for cos of a minus b. That cos of a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, therefore instead of a we have theta and instead of b we have pi by 4. Therefore this equation becomes that cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to, in the right hand side, that cos of pi by 4 as it is. Now we know the solution. We know the solution that cos theta is equal to cos alpha gives theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Therefore, cos of theta minus pi by 4 is equal to cos of pi by 4 gives the solution. Here instead of theta we have theta minus pi by 4. Therefore we write theta minus pi by 4 in the left side is equal to 2n pi as it is, and instead of alpha we have pi by 4. Therefore we write here pi by 4. Therefore we write the two terms separately, that is theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4, or theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi minus pi by 4. Here minus pi by 4 get cancelled. Here we get theta is equal to 2n pi. And here that theta is equal to that minus pi by 4, if we shifted it into the right hand side, that it becomes plus pi by 4. Therefore that is 2n pi plus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. Therefore here we get the solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. In that way we have obtained here two solutions for given trigonometric equation. Cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 0 is theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2, or theta is equal to 2n pi for n belongs to z. Now we solve next question, that question number 8, that is which of the following equations have solution. The last question from the exercise 3.1 is which of the following have solution. Okay, that first given example is cos of 2 theta is equal to minus 1. Okay, if we consider here, we know that cos of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, and by allied angle formula, that cos of pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, that cos of, if we replace this theta by 0, here we get cos of pi minus 0 is equal to minus cos 0. Therefore it will imply cos pi is equal to minus 1. Okay, here in the right hand side that cos 2 theta is equal to minus 1, and here we get cos pi is equal to minus 1. Therefore here we can write cos of 2 theta is equal to cos pi. And we know the solution, that cos theta is equal to cos alpha gives the solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha for n belongs to z. Therefore that cos of 2 theta is equal to cos pi gives the solution 2 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi. If we divide 2 on both sides, on both sides. Here we get theta is equal to, that 2 get cancelled. Here we get n pi plus or minus pi by 2 for n belongs to z. In that way, cos 2 theta is equal to -1. This equation have a solution.